Rimac Nevera Pearl 2026 stands as a bold declaration that the future of performance has already arrived. And it arrives without noise, without excess, and without compromise. From the first moment the car appears, it feels almost unreal, as if it has been sculpted from light itself. The pearl finish glides across the carbon fiber body like liquid crystal, changing tone with every movement of the sun. At times it appears soft and elegant, at others sharp and commanding, giving the car a living presence. The design is clean yet dramatic, low and wide, with proportions that communicate speed even when the car is standing still. Every surface is purposeful, carved by airflow and engineering logic, yet refined enough to feel like high art rather than raw machinery. The silence of the Nevera Pearl is what makes it truly intimidating, where traditional hypercars rely on thunderous engines to announce their arrival. This machine moves with a calm confidence that feels almost unsettling. Press the accelerator and the response is instant, violent, and breathtaking. There is no buildup, no delay, only a sudden and overwhelming surge of force that pushes the body deep into the seat. Time seems to compress as the scenery dissolves into motion, and the sensation borders on surreal. The absence of engine noise sharpens the experience, allowing the driver to feel every movement, every change in speed, every subtle shift in traction. It is speed in its purest form, stripped of theatrics and delivered with absolute precision. At the heart of this experience is the quad motor system, a masterpiece of modern engineering. Each wheel is powered independently, allowing the car to think, react, and adapt faster than any human ever could. Power is distributed with microscopic accuracy, ensuring maximum grip and stability no matter the conditions. The result is a driving experience that feels intelligent and deeply connected. The Nevera Pearl does not simply respond to inputs, it anticipates them. It feels like the car understands the driver, working as a partner rather than a tool, turning extreme performance into something intuitive and confidence-inspiring as speed increases. The Nevera Pearl remains eerily composed. High velocities that would unsettle lesser machines feel controlled and effortless here. The chassis is incredibly rigid, thanks to its advanced carbon fiber monocoque and integrated battery structure, which together form one of the strongest automotive architectures ever created. This rigidity translates directly into precision, allowing the suspension and steering to operate with unmatched accuracy. Corners are taken flat and fast, with minimal body movement and complete stability. The steering feels direct and honest, delivering clear feedback while maintaining a sense of calm authority. Even at the limits, the car never feels unpredictable or wild. Instead, it feels calculated, balanced, and unwavering. Inside the cabin, the Nevera Pearl reveals a different kind of luxury, one that focuses on experience rather than excess. The interior is beautifully minimal, yet rich with detail. Fine leather wraps the seats and panels, stitched with care and intention. Exposed carbon fiber reminds the driver of the car's performance roots, while brushed metal accents add a sense of precision and craftsmanship. Ambient lighting subtly highlights the contours of the cabin, creating an atmosphere that feels both futuristic and inviting. Every surface is carefully chosen, every material selected to enhance both comfort and connection. The driver's position is low and immersive, placing the pilot at the center of the machine. Controls are laid out with clarity and logic, ensuring that everything feels natural and accessible. Digital displays provide a wealth of information, from performance metrics to navigation and vehicle settings, all presented in a clean and intuitive interface. The technology is advanced, yet never overwhelming. It exists to support the driver, not distract them. This balance between innovation and simplicity is what makes the Nevera Pearl's interior so compelling. It feels personal, tailored, and purposeful, as if the car has been designed specifically for the individual behind the wheel. Beneath the elegance lies one of the most advanced battery systems ever fitted to a production car, integrated directly into the structure. The battery not only delivers immense power, but also enhances the vehicle's rigidity and safety. This intelligent design allows the Nevera Pearl to perform repeatedly at extreme levels without degradation or compromise. Advanced thermal management systems work silently to regulate temperature, ensuring consistent performance even under the most demanding conditions. Fast charging capability further reinforces the car's practicality, allowing it to regain energy quickly and return to the road without long interruptions. What truly defines the Rimac Nevera Pearl 2026 is its ability to reshape emotional expectations. It challenges the long-held belief that excitement requires noise and drama. Instead, it offers a more refined, more intense form of thrill, one that is rooted in sensation rather than sound. The acceleration feels almost unreal, the control almost supernatural, and the connection between driver and machine almost intimate. It is a car that demands respect not through aggression, but through intelligence and capability. The exclusivity of the Nevera Pearl adds another layer to its allure. Built in extremely limited numbers, each example feels less like a product and more like a bespoke creation. Owners are not simply purchasing a hypercar. They are becoming custodians of a technological milestone. Every detail from the exterior finish to the interior materials be tailored to reflect personal taste, ensuring that no two cars are exactly alike. This level of personalization transforms ownership into a deeply individual experience, reinforcing the sense that the Nevera Pearl is something truly special, beyond performance and luxury. The Nevera Pearl represents a philosophical shift in the automotive world. It proves that sustainability and extreme performance are not opposites, but partners. It shows that innovation can enhance emotion rather than diminish it, by embracing electric power without apology. Rimac has created a hypercar that feels forward-thinking yet timeless, advanced yet soulful. The Nevera Pearl does not look back at tradition. It builds upon it, redefining what is possible while respecting the passion that drives automotive enthusiasm. Driving the Rimac Nevera Pearl 2026 is not just about speed or status. It is about experiencing the edge of human ingenuity, feeling what happens when technology is pushed to its limits and refined into something beautiful. It is about silence that speaks louder than any engine, power that arrives without warning, and control that feels absolute. This is not merely a glimpse of the future. It is the future, realized and perfected. The Nevera Pearl shocks the world not because it is electric, but because it proves that the most powerful revolutions do not need to make a sound.